Hello friends, in this video let us solve one simple problem on friction. This is our problem. A weight of 400 Newton block is resting on horizontal surface and a push of 120 Newton is required to move this block. Then what is the coefficient of friction mu? Under these conditions, what is the value of coefficient of friction? To solve this problem, first of all, we are supposed to draw free body diagram. What is meant by free body diagram? Free body diagram is a representation of forces without considering structure. We have to neglect rest of the part. We have to concentrate on forces only while drawing free body diagram, FBD. Therefore, this is weight, force. Weight is a force acting in downward direction. There will be reaction to this force, which is called normal reaction, or this is applied force acting towards right. Say it is P, 120 Newton. Now, as we know, whenever we apply force on any object which is resting on horizontal or inclined surface, there will be frictional force, opposition to the motion. Frictional force opposites the motion of body. Therefore, here we will have frictional force, and it is equal to mu into R. The value of frictional force, this is the limiting value of frictional force, and it is equal to mu into R. Mu is coefficient of friction and R is normal reaction. Now let's apply equilibrium conditions, that is sigma fx is equal to 0 and sigma fy is equal to 0. Sigma fx is equal to 0 means sum of all forces acting in the x direction is equal to 0, and sigma fy is equal to 0 means sum of all vertical forces is equal to 0. These are the equilibrium conditions. There is one more equilibrium condition, that is sum of the moments is equal to 0, which is not required here because we are not going to take moment of any force. Taking moment of force is required in ladder friction problem. We will learn that problem in subsequent videos. Okay, first of all we shall apply this condition of equilibrium, that is sigma fy is equal to 0, that is sum of all vertical forces is equal to 0. This W is acting downward, therefore it is minus W. R, it is a plus, is equal to 0. R is normal reaction, therefore R is equal to W, and value of weight of this block is 400 Newton. Now let's apply first condition, that is sigma fx is equal to 0. Sum of all forces acting in x direction is equal to 0. Now in x direction we have two forces. This applied force P, which is 120 Newton, this is acting towards right, therefore it should be taken as positive, and this frictional force is acting towards left, therefore it should be taken as minus, is equal to 0. Therefore F is equal to 120, and value of F is equal to mu R is equal to 120. F is equal to mu R, and value of R, say this is equation 1. From 1, what is R? Mu into 400 is equal to 120. Therefore mu is equal to 120 upon 400. What we get? 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are 40, is equal to 0.3. The value of coefficient of friction is 0.3. The value of coefficient of friction is 0.3. This was very simple problem, introductory problem. We will solve some complex problems also in the subsequent lectures. Thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next video with another concept or problem. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.